Right then, so in today's video, we're going to teach you how to cut an external mitre in this lovely coving that we purchased from plastercoving.co.uk. You're going to love it. Enjoy.
When you're doing external, do you cut not upside down?
Yeah, you're still cutting upside down, but the opposite side.
Right, okay.
So this is your external, but you're still cutting it upside down.
Go on, I'll come around this way.
So you're cutting the opposite side. So that's your external. So when that goes up, that's your external.
So how would you find your mitre there then?
You've got to mark it.
And then you're going to know that's the length on the actual board.
Bottom, mark the top, that's your external. Mark there, that's your other external.
And fingers crossed they match.
Yeah.
So now he's just cutting down the lines it's just marked. And then that's going to give you one external on one piece, and then the other external, which is the marks that he marked. And don't forget cutting upside down. So is this an internal now?
This is the external.
That's still the external.
One just marked. So when you turn it up the other way, that's your external.
And that goes round your corner. Let's go and put that into practice.
I've got this in.